Baskin Slime Sisters. Today we're going to be making water slimes, and we're going to be teaching you how.
So first you need water.
Yes, and you need glue. Clear is
the
preferred,
best. Yes.
because it looks like water, of course.
And we're going to dye it. What we're going to dye it?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to dye mine actually. Maybe it's going to make it clear. I might dye it.
That's a cool idea. But
any different color.
Get,
scent, if you have scent, you don't have to use it. It's totally optional.
Yeah, it's like very optional.
You need baking soda.
Yeah, it'll not make it very.
And contact solution.
Yes.
Or you can do water, hot water, and borax and mix it together. But I like this version a bit better.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, it's gonna. Yeah, let's just. So we're gonna pour our glue in. You don't actually need a lot of glue, so like, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so she put this much glue in, so it's like maybe a fourth a cup. So fourth a cup of glue, great, and then a lot of water.
Like a lot.
Like, just watch how much. So this is, it's at 2 cups right now. Actually, it's not exactly 2 cups.
Don't pour it out.
Now it's under 2 cups. So I'm gonna add a lot of water. Okay, I added about a cup of water. No, half a cup of water. No, 3/4 cup of water. Put 3/4 a cup of water. Yeah, since you already have your 4th cup out, just make it easy for you. Then you can mix it. Why didn't we put the baking soda in first? It's okay. Mix your water and your glue together. Be careful, because if
Can you scoot over?
Yeah, sorry. If you do too much, if you mix too fast, the water will just slosh out.
Yeah, so just go like
small circular movements, like whisking an egg. This water slime is not going to be the exact like crazy water slime, but it's going to be like more flowy and jiggly slime than you're used to. So it'll be a bit better. But I don't actually like real water slimes that you buy from stores, because they're a bit
they're
messy. They're messy, and they kind of feel like rubber.
Yeah, they do.
Ooh, see, I just messed up. Oh no, my favorite sweater. It's okay. Getting working.
Okay. Now let's put. Okay, now I'm gonna
look.
put
It's like
baking soda.
barely glue in now. It's just water, basically. Because we barely have any glue. Oh, if you want, dye it now, or first put baking soda. It doesn't really matter. So if you want to dye it, I think I actually might dye it a light yellow.
I can't believe we forgot.
Okay, put probably like
it's spilling on me.
Put like a teaspoon. No, a teaspoon of baking soda in your mixture of water and glue.
What you really want to do is do that before you put the water in.
Yeah, but you don't have to. It's not like it matters, but it's a little easy to stir.
Because it's just a bunch of clumps in right now.
Yeah, but it'll just mix out once you mix the slime with your hands.
Go like this.
Yeah, that's what I do. If you like, just mix it around. And now you can dye it if you want.
I think I want to dye it this.
Nice.
It's like,
okay, so our dyes live in this.
Brilliant yellow. Okay.
I don't think I'm going to dye it. I think I'm going to add these little chunkies. Maybe.
Maybe.
Nah. I'm going to add these. They're like weird things.
I think I need more.
Why did I do that? Now they're just going to fall out. I'm so stupid. It's okay.
It's going to be fine. Probably.
You're just saying that. It's not going to be fine.
It's the end of the world.
All right, now get your contact solution and...
Wait, hang on. You have to wait for me.
No, I'm going to activate mine. Okay.
Activate?
Activate. I said activate.
No, you said activate.
Activate your slime. Don't do too much like I probably did. Now,
she did.
It's going to, you like, trust the process, everyone.
Yes.
This,
I'm just bit at a time.
Stir. Stir for like a long time until it seems like nothing's happening. Because if you stir, it'll actually come together way better. And you won't be left with an overactivated slime.
Yeah.
Because most people just stir like this, and then are like, oh, I need more. Don't do that, please. You're just ruining your slime, and then probably will never come back here because you think it's my fault. So now I have told you. Do you have any tips for water slimes?
Not really.
Except for that yours is beautiful.
Yes, mine is gorgeous. So it kind of looks like it's it looks like water and it feels like water, but it's not
See how
water.
much more that's come together than the first few times I stirred?
Okay.
It's just gonna be good. I think. So yes, just continue to stir.
Can I put the whole thing in?
Sure. It's kind of sad.
What?
Guys, we're not actually littering. We just pick it up.
Yeah,
when
we
we're
pick
done.
it up later.
We're good children. Oh, also watch
we?
our video we just did before this one. We're calling it Earth Slime. And yeah, this is the slime we made. You don't get to see. You have to watch the video to see. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Beautiful. So you have to watch the video. Also, you guys will learn a lot. Like, a lot.
I mean,
And
sort
some
of.
really cool facts that you gotta tell your parents. They're cool. I was like, when I read about it, I was like, what? That's actually... you
You're
can do
giving
that?
stuff away.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Now I'm just making it so that they have to watch it.
Yeah, you have to watch it.
Oh, mosquito. I almost clapped it, but it went away. See, I haven't added any more in, and it's already becoming water slime. See, I haven't added any in, I think.
I need more.
I don't remember. Oh, you mosquito!
Well, you're still gonna need to put more in.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the big?
What?
That right there.
No, that's the stuff that is not mixing in. It's I activated it, put the activator in one little spot, so then it just activated it all in.
Oh, okay.
I'm adding a bit more, not a lot, because
Just a little bit at a time.
just do a little. Except for the first time, you can put a bit in. Just don't over-activate it.
If you
Keep stirring.
overactivate it, it'll be awful.
Because water slimes require a lot more stirring than normal slimes because they take a lot longer to activate since it's more water than glue.
Yeah.
But see, it's coming together, definitely. And it's only been 6 minutes since we started, so.
Yeah. How long is this video?
Been 6 minutes and 33 seconds, 34 seconds, 35 seconds, 40 seconds. Oh, it's great.
It looks so beautiful. There's clumps in it though.
It's okay. It'll
Once you
mix
play
in.
with it.
So it's starting to come off the sides of my bowl.
Yeah, I need more.
When it start to look like that, just keep stirring a tiny bit more.
Mine's taking forever.
So you can always
Also, it's really big.
once it does this and comes off the
Can I
bowl
see?
completely, just go in with your hands. It's great. Oh no, you're dyeing it.
Oh, whoops.
Don't touch it. Ah, I need it to stay clear and white.
I didn't mean to.
I know.
I think it's really pretty.
It feels great. It's soft actually compared to like other slimes, I guess. It's like a soft water slime if you know what I mean. Like, why are you doing that? Rude.
I was just waiting for you to say something.
The beads are not falling out.
You can get like really big bubbles with this. I didn't even mean to make bubbles.
Oh yeah. Also, water slimes for some reason do such good water bubbles.
Water bubbles.
I call them water bubbles because they're water slimes. So
That makes sense. Sort of.
it's super flowy, and
Can I
it's
feel it? Can I feel it, please?
No, not yet.
I shouldn't. But
Yeah,
I really
I just-
want to.
you can feel it when your hands are clean, and then maybe when my hands are clean.
I think your hands are clean, but they have slime on them.
Oh yeah, they're definitely clean. So yeah, guys, this is how to make water slime. Yeah, it's a good
and
recipe.
It's like, it's very jiggly, and I just need a little bit more.
Also, if you look up how to make water slime, most of them are fake because it's without glue. I know lots of people don't have glue, but big tubs of glue lying around for making slime. But we do have a no glue slime recipe video. It's called making the best no glue slime ever or something like that.
It's really long.
It's not long. The name's long.
Yeah, the name's
The video's
long,
not
that's
that long, I think. We have some pretty long videos because we get carried away talking, probably like we're going to do this time, and last time, and every other time. Because we're just so excited to talk to you guys. Even though you guys don't respond back. Because nobody comments on our videos. So please comment. Just talk to us. We will respond because I check every day. And
She does. She
it's
checks
not like I have
every
so
day.
many comments and subscribers that I can't respond. I'm like the tech person. I do all the posting and checking on stuff. And she's like the support person. And the best slime maker I know. So yeah.
Well,
Yes, you are. You're so good. You're amazing at making slime. Like, so good. She makes like the best slimes. Some of my slimes are like horrible. Horrible.
No, they're all amazing. I think they're the best slime
We
ever.
do not want to remember that one slime that I made that was orange and I used like 3 tubs of pigment. Don't remember. That was the first video we ever made. That was so bad. But I did make this really good slime one time that was red with red sprinkles. Red, not sprinkles. Glitter. And it was a water slime. Like this, exactly. It was so good. I kept it for a long time, but then it dried out a little bit because I left it open. And then it got to
Why
like...
would you do that?
I didn't mean to. Take it
Is
back.
this
You're
too
not the
sticky?
support person. What?
Is this too sticky?
Let me feel. Yeah. No. Yes.
Hang on, I
no.
still need to mix it.
It looks. It's liquid gold. That is liquid gold.
It's so.
I told you.
pretty.
She's so good at making slime. Look at this one. Not good.
I think it's really good.
Not as good as
You
that.
shouldn't criticize yourself. It's like not good.
I know, but I can't help it.
You like this is awful.
No, it's good. Mine is so good. I do not criticize myself anymore. This is a good slime. Everybody makes good slimes, okay?
Can I feel it now?
Except for me.
Mm.
No, it's worse than it was before. Shut them in your hands.
Yo.
I feel like there's something creeping
No,
on us, but there was nothing.
It's
I have to
because-
yell so they can't hear me. What did you do? Did
Nothing.
you just do this?
No,
I'm gonna rewind the video and see.
you can't.
Yes, I can.
Well, after the video is over. Can't do that right now.
Or can I? I'm joking. I can't.
Get it off.
Yeah. So these are very good recipes, and you should definitely try it. Cause I mean, it's not like
Can I feel it
the
now?
insane messy. No. The
Can
ins.
I have the cleanup slime?
We threw it out because you said it's a horrible slime.
Well, it's not.
I'm
very
just kidding. We didn't. I think we still have it somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow. Clean up slime. It's just a clear white. It's just a clean
This
white
is a really
slime.
bad slime, though. That's why it's clean.
It's not bad.
Okay,
I
it's
thought
not
it was good.
that bad. It's pretty good.
It's just firm and it gets all the extra
just
slime that
kinda
you can't get off
rubbery.
yourself. Yeah. So we call it the cleanup slime. It's actually very helpful. You guys,
It is. It's really helpful.
If you have a lot of slimes, make a cleanup slime. It doesn't even have to be that big.
I'm gonna feel it now.
Turn them. Okay, you can feel it. I'm gonna start putting this stuff away.
Whoa, this feels awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty good. For once, I made a good slime.
She made a great slime. But you make a lot of good slime.
Bye, guys, and thanks for watching. Please,
Please.
like and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe.
You don't even have to like, just subscribe.
And look how beautiful the slime is.
It is very pretty.
It's not really fitting in her.
Yeah,
thing.
so we don't have containers big enough for these, but yeah, this is what my slime looks like. Oops. It's great.
Mine's really sticky.
See these little candy charms I put in?
Yeah, they're gonna fall out.
No, they're not. They're actually sticking in
You said
super
that they
well.
would fall
I
out.
thought they were gonna, because like usually water slimes do not stick good, but this one's like a
This
doesn't stick to
water
my
slime
hand.
is like the best one I've ever made.
It doesn't stick to my hands, but it
It's-
doesn't. But it keeps things in it, so pretty good.
It's kind of weird. There's some
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.